Today's tutorial, how to fill and edit PDF forms in C Sharp. How's it going, everyone? In this tutorial, we'll learn how to fill and edit various types of form fields in PDF using IronPDF in a .NET application. First, make sure that you have the IronPDF NuGet package installed in your project. You can easily do so using the NuGet package manager if you haven't already done so already. So we begin by importing the IronPDF namespace in your program.cs file and setting the license key to unlock all the features of the IronPDF library. Next, open the PDF form you want to edit using the PDF document.fromFile method. And this allows us to manipulate text field, checkboxes, and more. We'll now set the values for input fields like first name and last name by assessing the form fields using find form field and updating their values. You can also edit area fields like entering an address. We update these values the same way, and then when finished, we save the edited PDF. For checkboxes, first we load a PDF form file, and then we access the checkbox field using find form field method. To check it, let's set its value to yes. For combo boxes, in this case named priority, we set the value to low and then print out the available choices in the combo box to the console for reference. Then we save the PDF with the updated checkbox and combo box state. Similarly, for radio buttons, we select the desired option by setting its value and print the choices to verify which ones are available. Finally, let's run the application and check the output. You'll see the forms in the PDFs filled and edited as expected. All right, there you have it. We've successfully filled and edited PDF forms using IronPDF. This technique can be used for text inputs, checkboxes, combo boxes, and radio buttons to streamline form processing. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you like some more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Try it out for yourself.